In this session, I will start with the next part of the chapter, Rational and Irrational Numbers. That is last part. That is called real numbers. So, what is meant by real numbers? No need to strike our head more because rational numbers includes all these types of numbers. Natural numbers 1, 2, 3, whole numbers 0, 1, 2, 3, integers all negative, positive and zero numbers, fractions which are expressed in the form of p by q, rational also which can be expressed in the form of p by q, and irrational numbers root 2, root 3, root 5, etc. All these type of numbers are called as real numbers. Okay. Now, what is meant by surds? That A be a rational number, and N be positive number. Rational numbers means we can express in the form of P by Q, and N be a positive number. Then nth root A is irrational. So nth root A will be always irrational. Then nth root A is called as surd. If you calculate this value nth root A, then it becomes irrational number. Then we can say nth root A is called surd, or we can say radical of order n. So what is meant by surd? That A be the rational number and n be the positive number. Nth root A is irrational. Number. So then we can say nth root A is called surd. So if it is irrational, then it is called as a surd or radical of order n. Example, 3 root 4 or cube root of 4. 3 means cube root. 2 means square root of 4. Square means you will not write anything. So 3, 4th root or 5th root you will write the value here. So this is called surd. Okay. Rationalization of surd. So what is meant by rationalization of surd? It is a process of converting the denominator to a rational number. Suppose we get a irrational number in the denominator. If you get a irrational numbers in the denominator like this. So I am getting irrational number in the denominator. So process of converting irrational number to rational number. How we can convert? By multiplying its numerator and also denominator by suitable number. So what is meant by rationalization of surd? It is the process of converting the denominator into rational number by multiplying its numerator and denominator by a suitable number. This process is called rationalization of surds. This process is called rationalization of surds. Okay. Now, what is meant by rationalizing factors? If the product of two irrational numbers is rational, so if you multiply any two irrational numbers, then you will get the rational number. Then each one of is called that two irrational numbers will be there. Each one of that two irrational numbers are called rationalizing factors of the other. So each one of the rationalizing numbers is called rationalizing factors of the other. To understand this, I will give an example. Here, because it is not visible for you, I wrote in the down a plus root b into a minus root b. So both are irrational numbers because on the rational plus on the irrational, sum of the rational plus irrational is always rational. Sum of rational, difference between rational and irrational is also always rational. So therefore, product of these two irrational number is always rational number. Suppose see a plus b into a minus b, a square minus b square, that is root b whole square. Root b whole square means what? Square and root cancels. So what remains? Yes, well. So which is the rational number? Which is the rational number? So the product of two irrational number is a rational number. Then each one of these irrational numbers are called rationalizing factors of a plus root b is a rationalizing factor of a minus root b. A minus root b is a rationalizing factor of a plus root b. Understood clearly? So what is meant by rationalizing factors? If the product of two irrational numbers is rational, then each one of the irrational numbers will be the rationalizing factors of other number. For example, a plus root b is the rationalizing factors of a minus root b, or a minus root b is the rationalizing factors of a plus root b. So these are some of the terms in the last part of the chapter. Now we go to the exercise. Okay? Understood now? So, exercise 1D, rationalize the denominator of each of the following. First one, 2 by root 6. 2 by root 6. So, observe here, it contains, the denominator contains irrational number. So, we have to rationalize the denominator. I told already, rationalize the denominator means converting the denominator into a rational number by multiplying numerator or denominator with the suitable number. So therefore what I will do is, I will multiply with root 6 and I will multiply the denominator also with the root 6. So what happens here? 2 root 6 by root 6 into root 6. Root 6 whole square. Root 6 whole square, therefore root and root cancels. So what remains? Only 6. 2 ones, 2 threes. So what is the answer? Root 6 by 3. Root 6 by 3. Correct? So in this way, we can avoid the irrational number in the denominator. Now 3 is not a irrational number, 3 is a rational number. It can be expressed in the form of P by Q. Second, root 2 by 2 root 3. Correct? So 2 root 3. So therefore, into root 3 by root 3. So what happens? So this is root 6 by 2 into 3. That is root 6 by 6. Root 6 by 6. Okay, I multiplied with only root because I want to eliminate this irrational numbers in the denominator. Therefore, I have to multiply with the same number with the numerator and same number with the irrational number with the denominator. So now third one, 1 by 3 plus root 5. So I told, what is the rationalizing factor of 3 plus root 5? The rationalizing factor of 3 plus root 5 is 3 minus root 5. So therefore I have to multiply with the numerator with the 3 minus root 5, denominator also with the 3 minus root 5. So what happens here? 3 minus root 5 in the numerator. Here a plus b into a minus b. A square means 9. Minus b square means root 5 whole square, that is nothing but 5. So that is 3 minus root 5 by 4. So that is the answer for the next question. So similarly you do the homework sums. Homework fourth one. Okay? Homework fourth one. Now I will move on to the fifth one. Fifth one is 1 by 4 plus 2 root 3. So what is the rationalizing factor of 4 plus 2 root 3? The 4 minus 2 root 3 by 4 minus 2 root 3. So what remains? 4 minus 2 root 3 divided by a plus b into a square, a minus b. A square, that is 16, minus 2 square, 4 into 3, that is 12. Isn't it? 12. So that is 4 minus 2 root 3 by 4. Or still we can simplify 2 common. 2 minus root 3 by 4. 2 ones, 2 twos, that is 2 minus root 3 by 2. So 2 minus root 3 by 2. So note on this sums. Seventh question, root 3 minus 1 by root 3 plus 1. So what is the rationalizing factor of root 3 plus 1? Root 3 minus 1. Root 3 minus 1 by root 3 minus 1. So root 3 minus 1 into root 3 minus 1, root 3 minus 1 whole square by a plus b into a minus b. A square means root 3 whole square, that is 3. 3 minus 1. Isn't it? So now we have to expand this using a minus b whole square. So root 3 whole square plus 1 square minus 2 into root 3 into 1 by 2. So this becomes what? 3 plus 1 minus 2 root 3 by 2. That is 4 minus 2 root 3 by 2. That is nothing but 2 common. 2 minus root 3 by 2. 2 and 2 cancels. So what is the answer remains? 2 minus root 3. 2 minus root 3. So note on that sum. So now question number 8. Question number 8. 3 minus 2 root 2. 3 minus 2 root 2 by 3 plus 2 root 2 into. What is the rationalizing factor of 3 plus 2 root 2? 3 minus 2 root 2 by 3 minus 2 root 2. Multiply. A minus b into a minus b, that is a minus b whole square by a plus b into a minus b, a square minus b square. A square means 3 square, 9, minus b square means 2 square is 4, 2 square is 4 into 2, root 2 into root 2, root 2 whole square, that is 2, 8. So expand, a minus b whole square, 3 square minus 2 root 2 whole square plus a square plus minus b square plus a square minus 2ab plus b square, that is plus, this is minus. So 2 into 3 into 2 root 2 by 1. So this is 9 plus 2 square is 4 into 2, 8 minus 2 to the 4, 4 3 is 12, root 2. That is 9 plus 8, 9 plus 8, 17 minus 12 root 2. So this is the answer for the question number 8. Question number 9. 1 by 2 root 5 minus root 3 into 2 root 5 plus root 3 by 2 root 5 plus root 3. That is equal to 2 root 5 plus root 3 by a minus b into a plus b. A square minus b square. A square minus b square. So what is the answer? 2 root 5 plus root 3 by a square minus b square. A square minus b square. A square means how much? 2 square 4 into 5, 20 minus 3. So 2 root 5 plus root 3 by 20 minus 3 is 17 by 17. So this is the answer for question number 9. So question number 10 I am giving as homework. Question number 10 as homework. Okay. So note on this one. So I want to explain how the sum root 2 by root 2 plus root 3 minus root 5. So what I did is here 3 terms are there. First 2 I made one group and the second one is third one second group. So root 2 plus root 3 minus root 5. That means we have to put the rationalizing factor. If minus is there means we have to put plus. Correct? I am multiplying this. I multiplied these 3 terms with root 2. By this is a minus b into a plus b. That is a square minus b square. Now I multiply root 2 into root 2, 2. Root 2 into root 3, root 6. Root 2 into root 5, root 10. Here a plus b whole square. A square means root 2 whole square, 2. B square means root 3 whole square, 3. 2 into ab, root 2 into root. So a plus b whole square over. So a square means root 2 whole square 2, b square means root 3 whole square is 3, and 2ab, 2 into root 3. That is root 6, this is 2 root 6. And here square and root cancels, 5 remains. Next step, numerator as it is. Here what remains? 2 plus 3, 5. Plus 5 minus 5 cancels. Only 2 root 6 remains. Again it is irrational number. Therefore you have to multiply with root 6 numerator and also multiply denominator with root 6. So multiply 2 into root 6, 2 root 6, root 6 into root 6, only 6, root 10 into root 6, root 16. Here 2 into root 6 into root 6, only 6, 6 to the 12. So 2 root 6 plus 6, this is I wrote into 15 4 jar. So by 12 as it is. 2 root 6 plus 6, 4 square root is 2 outside, only root, under root only 15. So by 12. So I took 2 common, root 6, 3 plus 3 plus root 15 by 12. 2 ones, 2 6. So what is the remaining answer? 2 root 6 plus 3 plus root 15 by 6. Okay? So note down this sum. So in the next class, I will start with question number 12. Okay? Thank you.